everybody, and in today's guide I will show you how to create Remitly account. On Remitly's official website, just click the sign up button here. Then all you have to do is give an email address and then any password you would like to have on Remitly. So in this case I will give it now and click the join now button here. Let me do that and let's continue. Like you can see, you got a window like this where you can type in what amount you want to send, what the receiver receives here, and then you can continue. But in this case you don't have to do that. You can go just here in welcome and you can go under settings. Now here you can see everything. You're basically already logged in here. You can sign out on this button, but with that you are signed in already. And you can see here recipients. You can click the blue button here, add new recipients. To add a new recipient you want to send money later on. Under payment methods you have add a new payment method. Just click that button to add your credit or debit card or your bank account where you want the money to be taken from. And so yeah, that's basically it, how you sign in, how you join Remitly, how you create an account with Remitly. Here in transfer history you will see all the transaction when you have some transaction already done, and then you have refer friends here. When you send this link someone to sign up, you can get $15 when someone signs up or uses that link to pay someone. Here's one more step. If you're using the Remitly app, you have to download the Remitly app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and enter the country you're sending from and the country you're sending to. Then you just tap next, enter your email address, create a password, and you just tap join Remitly. That's basically it, how you do it on the Remitly app. And for the website you just have to click the join now button, enter your email address and create a password, and with that you are already signed in and you can already start sending money by click send money button here. You can choose that here down below where you want to send your money to. Like instead of India you can for example say Argentina here, and then when you click here you can send money to this country. Very simple, very straightforward. You can type in the amount and just continue. When you continue, you will be asked everything about the recipient's address. If you want an express, an economy, you see the no transfer fee here. You click one of them and you go all the way through to the process here: bank deposit, mobile wallet, cash pickup. So yeah, what you want to do is, like, if you want from your bank to send money, just click bank deposit. If you want from your wallet, you click this one. If you want the recipient, to pick the cash up, you click this one and just continue. Choose the bank here, or choose another bank, any bank you can type in here. And that's basically go all the way through, and you will be asked for the recipient's name and so on. So basically that's it, how you create an account and how you use Remitly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.